Hey ho, howdy hey. Hi. I don't know if this is the same video or if this is a new video, but I guess if this is a new video, hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Santana. I don't know, fuck. Okay, anyway, whatever. Let's just get into what we're doing today. What we're doing, Jake is cooking, so please ignore the background noise. What's going on is we're about to redo this whole living room area. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a little overview of what we're working with right now, and then we're just gonna redecorate it together. I don't know, I thought it might be fun, a little transformation things. All right, let me just show you what we're working with right now. Because Jake is currently cooking us lunch, I'm gonna try to film this on my own. So yeah.
I'll film it for me.
You wanna film it for me?
I film it good. Have you seen the videos? Go back and look at them.
Alright, fine, you can film it for me. Had to flex real quick. Ooh, y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Wrong button. Hi, I'm gonna show you my living room now. Come on in. So, quick overview. We're gonna do this super fast speed round style. Okay, come on, over here. No, get me. Come on.
They want the quick overview.
Okay, come on. Mini side table. You know, this is just an overview. This is just the before. So it doesn't really matter. Got our little couch right here. Some Christmas lights. Quick little decorations over here. Some paintings my mom made. We have our TV, whole little stand going on. Up here we have some of my paintings that will be taken down and replaced with something else you'll see in a little bit. And then we come over here, and here's our couch. And there used to be a poster here, but now there's not anymore, but we're gonna put some new decorations and it's gonna be super awesome. So you guys just soak in this whole before and get ready for an awesome transformation.
What about all that stuff in the kitchen?
We're only gonna redo the lights. I'll just show the lights when we do it.
All the paintings up there, you didn't talk about those?
Okay, we have some paintings up here as well, up here in the kitchen. These will also be taken down. We're gonna replace with some cool strip lights. So get ready for that. Get ready for it all. We're not doing much in the kitchen. The kitchen's pretty cool. Okay. So I just finished painting these records. So this is kind of my little DIY home decor for cheap life hack for you guys. Because that's what a lot of these decorations were, honestly. So what I did was I went to my local comic book store that just had a bunch of old comics and records and stuff, and went in there and just picked out a bunch of old records. I got 9 records for $7, I believe, and then I painted them so they could be cute decorations. I got this idea from Pinterest, so don't think I'm too creative, but yeah, so I'll show you what they look like. This is what the final product is looking like. They look super cool from a distance. I just painted each of them, you know, a solid color. If you look up close, you can kind of, you know, the painting's not that great. You can kind of see through, but it doesn't have to be perfect because from far away, it looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do is take these and put them on this wall right here above the couch. And it's gonna look super awesome and cool. So I'm gonna go do that now, and you'll see when you see, okay? Hi, welcome to my new house. Come on in, don't be shy. Well, what a perfect place to start. Right here, we have our side table. That's not really anything new, but as the cameraman pans up, you will see that we added these nice framed pictures right here next to the door. And these picture frames are actually from Goodwill, and they were $2 each. So go to your local Goodwill for home good supplies. Okay, now we're gonna, my cameraman, look at the couch. As you can see here, next to the couch, we've added this nice foliage plant. Can you see it?
You might have to close the blinds.
This is our new plant, but we added to add a little bit of texture. Yang! Stop! Always try to see the plant. Oh, good boy. Anyway, though, he's not part of the tour. Now we'll bring you around over here to see the biggest transformation. Wow! Y'all see this? Y'all see that? I did that. So here's how I put up the records. You can really arrange them any way you want. This is just kind of what my brain thought of. We bought a brand new couch and a rug. Look at us now. Yeah. I don't even know what to say during these kinds of videos. I don't know. We took all this stuff up here. We took all the stuff that was up here down because it didn't look good anymore. But that's about everything except for one last thing. Now, if you will please draw your attention to the kitchen behind me. Oh. Y'all see that? Yeah. So that's new. We got some string lights. These string lights are from Amazon. I think these were the 16-foot ones, I want to say. They have them 32 feet, but 16 feet is fine. Well, as I sit here and water my plant like the good plant mom that I am, I would like to say thank you for watching my video. And I hope that you enjoyed my house tour, because this is very different for me, as you can tell. If you enjoyed it, please like and comment and subscribe and share with a friend, and maybe even click the bell. If you're into that, dang, you better just get away from my plant boy. So yeah, with all that being said, thank you guys so much once again for watching, and I will catch you on the cliff. This plant doesn't even need to be watered.